We on. It's windy, but we on. Righto guys, we're on. Very spontaneous little drift adventure, sponsored by Dan. So big ups to Dan for towing the car down for me, paying for me entry, paying for me fuel, buying me dinner.
Sounds like a bit of a mandate.
So anyway, Dan said he wants to go Paso in a drift car, so he was going to be sitting home doing nothing tonight, so was I. So Dan pretty much offered to pay for me to go drifting. So as if you're going to say no to something like that. So we're on the way down to Kiwa, Friday night drifts. Hopefully all goes well. As you saw from the last episode, I've managed to get that exhaust side sealed up on the 31. I've also put a bit more timing into it, so it's not so retarded. And as you saw from when I installed the new turbo, I actually modified the oil feed a little bit so that it gets a little bit more oil volume through the turbo. So hopefully this keeps this turbo cooler, and hopefully it lives, and hopefully that's sorted out my hot side issues, fingers crossed. But it's going to be a good shakedown. So it's a really hot ambient temps day today. It's freaking hot, so we're going to cruise down in the aircon in the big rig. And yeah, go do some drifting. Hopefully it's all good. Oh yeah, not bad. Early bird gets the worm. Just gotta hang out and wait for driver's briefing. How the summer's getting on, it's gonna stay light till like 6 o'clock too, that'll be sick. Because I wasn't expecting to go drifting at all, and I didn't have anything ready at the workshop, I literally have no real socks, so I'm gonna be running the old shoes without socks. I bought some really thick wool socks that I usually wear with my work boots, but I don't think that's gonna be very good with just shoes. I don't think it's gonna work very well because they're already pretty small. So anyway, whatever. You gotta do what you gotta do. See if I can remember how to drive. Righto, so that last run, it blew the reference off the gate, so would have been running lots of boost. And the clutch didn't like it, so the clutch was burning as well because it just stepped up to massive boost. So clutch getting a bit smelly, and I've got to try and get this boost reference back on the gate, and it's freaking hot. So this freaking boost reference keeps just popping off. And it's really giving me the shits. Because it's so hot down there that you can't get it back on. You gotta wait for it to cool down so you can get the reference back on. It just keeps fucking popping off. It's such a piece of shit. Oh yeah, bit of blow by, she's alright. Nah, we good, we good. That's annoying though. So freaking annoying. still getting freaking hot. Anyway, that was a really good lap. It was a good run, and boost references stayed on so far, so fingers crossed that keeps going. Anyway, clutch is getting real hot, so clutch isn't that happy with me punishing that hard, so I need to try and find that happy medium where I've got enough boost that I don't have to punish the clutch, but it's not so much boost that it's going to kill a gearbox or a motor. So I reckon around that 12 psi will probably be pretty good, but unfortunately my boost T thing is just a piece of junk and I can't get it to work, so this is going to have to do it for now. So anyway, I need to let the clutch actually cool down. Can't let the ceramic get too hot and keep blaze or do something silly, so all good, but doing well. Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Alright guys, we made it back, we're home. Awesome night, that was good. So big thanks to Dan for towing it down there and paying for things, and yeah, fucking sweet. Rex is home now, so.
What's up?
Actually did more laps tonight than I did for the entirety of Matsuri. Car came home, still going. I tried to kill it when the reference came off a few times, but it wouldn't die.
Is that like laps as in literal number of laps, or are you talking distance? Because like, as far as I understand it, Archerfield's a short lap, so you could do like 3 laps.
What are you talking about Archerfield for?
Where did you go?
QR.
Oh, okay. Edit that out.
I'm going to leave it in.
I assumed you went to Archerfield.
No, QR Friday night drift.
Friday night drift, right.
Yeah. Went well, went good. Sweet.
Well, that's a good test of that turbo. I'd assumed you were at Archerfield. No, well, if you did more laps tonight than at Matsuri and the turbo's still alive, then you can...
Yeah, I put way more timing into it as well.
Yeah, Dad was saying.
Yeah. Anyway, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. It was awesome. Have a good one. See you on the next one.